Once again, thank you to Pocketbook for sending us this massive sample. And yes, once again, this is the largest e-paper device we have ever had in our studio. This is the very, very big Pocketbook Inkposter a fresco. And today, we're gonna mount it. First, you have to look at what kind of wall you have: wood, plywood, concrete, brick, drywall, etc. For this, you're going to need quite a few supplies. You'll need a power drill, a drill bit, a Phillips head, and a stud finder. Not only that, you'll need this gigantic piece of paper as well, as it simulates the exact size as the Inkposter itself. Also, note the guide holes on the paper. They represent where the hanging holes will be on the Inkposter unit body itself. Preliminarily, you can knock on the wall to see what part is hollow and which part has a stud behind it, just to get your bearings. Mark with masking tape approximately where you would want to drill. Match up the width of the beam with the height of where the mounting poster is, and you have found your mounting point. Test the template yet again. Mark your spot and begin to pre-drill. Always pre-drill smaller than the diameter of the bolt they've included. Take note of the direction of the rubber. It must be this way. You don't want to drill again. Do not over-tighten, as the teeth of the screw can hollow out the hole and would not be sufficient to hang your Inkposter. The rubber should be taut and difficult to rotate, thus ensuring you have successfully drilled properly. Then hang your Inkposter. That's how you mount the Inkposter. This can be done portrait or landscape, of course, and just comes down to the particular application of where you're trying to bolt it onto. Once again, thank you to Pocketbook for sending us this sample, and thank you all for watching.